Here Akhil Srivastava teaching you Maths of Class 10th NCERT, Chapter 6 Triangle. Exercise 6.5, question number 13. 15, not 13, 15. Question number 15. So, in this you will see, in an equilateral triangle ABC, D is a point on side BC such that BD is 1/3 of BC. Prove that 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. In previous lecture I have started, but time was not there. So now you will see it is a equilateral triangle given. First of all, you will see, you draw the figure equilateral triangle ABC. In this equilateral triangle, what is given? BD is 1/3 of BC. D is a point. How will you put the point? Because in equilateral triangle, the midpoint is a perpendicular line. From midpoint, when you draw, it is a median. So BD will be the one side of BD, B. So how will you take? The BD is smaller than the full line, very 1/3. So three parts. So here I am taking point D and join it. Don't take point D here, because when you draw the perpendicular, it must be towards the B. So here you want to prove 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. Draw perpendicular from vertex to the side, AE perpendicular to BC. Now in what you want, AD, in which right triangle AD stands? You see in the figure, in triangle ADE, right triangle, side AD is there. So you start from here, in triangle ADE. Angle is 90 degree because it is given by construction, not given, matlab construction you are doing. So AD square is equal to AE square plus DE square, Pythagoras. Now D is a form of B. You can write B minus BD. D you can write BE, full line minus this part, and whole square. Apply A minus B whole square like a previous question, and A minus B whole square formula identity you apply. A square plus B square minus 2AB, 2B into BD. AE and B by the figure, AE and B by the figure you are getting, AE and B by the figure giving you what? AB. By Pythagoras, AE square plus B square will be AB square. So you have written here in because Pythagoras in triangle ABE. Reason. Okay. Now BD. BD is already given in the form of BC. BD is equal to 1/3 BC. You also write. Here BD change into 1/3. So BC square upon 9. AB square plus BC square upon 9 minus 2B into BC by 3. Where is the BD? Both the places you write BC by 3. Now the term is given B. What is the relation of B with BC? Because in equilateral triangle, perpendicular bisect the base. In equilateral triangle, perpendicular bisect the base. So B will be BC by 2. B will be BC by 2, 2 and cancel. You are getting BC square by 3. Perpendicular bisect the base in equilateral triangle. Now AB square, you BC square by 3, take the LCM, 9. 9AB square plus BC square minus 3BC square you are getting. In this, AD square is equal to 9AB square minus 2BC square, because BC square minus 3BC square you are getting 2BC square. 9 minus, but now you see, because of equilateral triangle all the sides are equal and you want to prove AB. So at the place of BC you write AB. So 9AB square minus 2AB square gives you 7AB square. 9 minus 2, 7. So 9AD square is equal to 7AB square, hence proved. Because all the sides are equal, so AB and BC is replaced. Next, question number 16. What is given? In an equilateral triangle, prove that the 3 times of the square of one side is equal to the 4 times of the square of one of its diagonal. Equilateral triangle diagonals are equal, so high altitudes are equal, medians are equal. So only one altitude I am drawing, AD. AB equal to AC equal to BC. One altitude you are drawing in triangle ABC. AB equal to BC equal to AC. So AD is altitude. Want to prove 3 times of the square of side equal to 4 times of the square of altitude. In words, the question is given. There is no ABCD. But what is the given? 3 side of the square of one side equal to 4 times the square of one of its altitude. According to this, you will altitude I am taking AD. So AB in this right triangle, AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. BD is BC by 2y, perpendicular bisector. Altitudes perpendicular bisector of the base in equilateral triangle. So BC by 2. BC square, BC can be replaced by AB because you want AB here. So I have written at the place of BC AB because all the 3 sides are equal. AB square by 4. If you want to prove BC, the both the side BC you can write. If you want to put AC, then you can write AC. Now take LCM. 4AD square plus AB square, cross multiply. 4AB square is equal to 4AD square plus AB square. Transpose AB, you are getting 3AB square is equal to 4AD square. 3AB square is equal to 4AD square. Hence proved. It is the question 16. Now, last question you see, question number 17. In the question number 17, take the correct answer and justify in triangle ABC that what is the angle B. Optional question, you draw the, because you want angle B, it means you will take out of this, it will be 90 Pythagoras. So you draw the figure ABC, you don't know the B. Apply the longest side square like a Pythagorean triplet, 144. And AB square plus BC square is 6 root 3 plus 6, 36 into 3, 108. And here 36. You are getting 44. Sum of these two, you are getting 44 and it is also 144. So you are getting 144 replaced by AC square. So it is giving you the converse of Pythagoras theorem. AC, it is a right triangle, and then angle B, opposite side of it is 90 degree. So like this, this exercise 6.5 is finished. I hope it is clear, and only the optional exercise is left in this chapter. And these questions 15, 16 are very important, that you will solve question number 16, which is given without any alphabet. Question number 15, question number 14, very carefully you will see and understand. So thanks for today.